friends, thanks for joining me today. Welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created this fun tuck spot cluster pocket for day 84 of 100 Days of Pockets. If you'd like the instruction booklet on how to create all of these pockets, check out my description box. And there's a link to Cindy's Ko-Fi shop. Today you are going to need some scrap fabric, or you could make your cluster out of scrap paper. Now this cluster is made of fabric and it has fall vibes written all over it, so I'm not going to create a fresh one today. I am going to use this one. But in short, I like to make sure my clusters have at least 3 layers. Again, paper or fabric, and you can cut or you can tear. It doesn't matter, okay? Just use your scraps and then you layer them. You can see here is a nice square of this material, and then a little bit smaller is the jeans material and it's angled, so do that. And then there's even a smaller piece, okay? You can do the same with your paper. And then there's a nice strip that goes across, and you don't have to do that, or you can do that, okay? And clusters are just that simple. And oops, and they're super cute and they're super fun to play with. So since I've got this one, this was given to me by my friend Carrie of Carrie the Paper Monkey. So thank you, Carrie. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one today. The past few days I went ahead and created these pockets. I'm doing a fall theme now that we're into November, and this is actually the kit I created for my gratitude collab, and I have asked Cindy to co-host with me, so she'll be doing that. And so we would both love it if you would join us. We're both going to have freebies in our Facebook groups. So, well, I'll have mine in Facebook. I don't know if she'll have hers in Facebook or in her Ko-Fi shop. But either way, there are freebies available. Okay, my friends? It's an open collab, and so that makes it fun, right? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this to the page. But I'm going to go ahead and back it with some cardstock. I backed the cluster onto cardstock simply to make it easier for a tag to go in and out of the pocket. I wouldn't want it to get caught up on the fabric. And you can see there that I am simply gluing 2 sides, and it gives a little bit more freedom for the tag to go in and out of the pocket. This cute little tag says thankful, and I went ahead and I added this piece of green trim to it, just, you know, for decoration really. And we are going to slide that right in here into this little pocket. And there we have it, my friends, a tuck spot cluster pocket. Please be sure to check out Cindy's channel today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.